Welcome to BetterBet, an educational gaming website that exposes the predatory practices of the gambling industry. Upon entering, you are directed to the casino homepage, which includes the list of games of which Dice is the only one available at the moment. At the top are links to the landing page and this page, your wallet, and your profile where you can access settings and log out. Now into the main event, Dice. Below the game window, you can access the game rules, and most importantly you have the user summary. This provides analytics about how you compare with the average user across different settings. After playing each one, you are recommended which setting best suits your gambling style. Before trying out another setting, you are reminded of some general tips for safe gambling. Try BetterBet today at betterbet.dev.
Our project expanded upon a legacy system focused on autonomous drone flight. The goal of the system is to take full-size mission routes for fighter jets and scale them down to be viewed at the size of a football field. This iteration of the project allows for multi-drone autonomous flight, with each drone flying its own unique route. We also have implemented augmented reality, enabling the display of 3D models overlaid on drones within virtual terrain. This allows a spectator with augmented reality capabilities to see the drones fly their routes in real life and in virtual terrain. Thanks for listening. We've been Drone Dogs.
Has this ever happened to you? You're using the already powerful spectral imaging capabilities of Beyond RGB to capture the true essence of art for cheap, but processing multiple images feels like it takes forever. Each image requires setup and then waiting and then more setup and more waiting. Introducing the brand new Beyond RGB 2.0, making sure these problems are a thing of the past. With batch processing, you can select multiple art images to be processed and then sit back and relax while it does all the work. Each image also processes faster, saving you hours of precious time. Struggling with inconsistent results? Beyond RGB 2.0's new target coordinates ensure precision with every single run, down to the pixel. These features and bug fixes, along with many more, make Beyond RGB 2.0 the premier software for spectral imaging. Don't believe us? Ask our sponsors.
Repeatable, it's reliable, and it saves me so much time in making sure my data is all aligned.
It's definitely better, 1000%.
Have you ever had poor network connection and wanted to know which locations and cell providers have the best networks? The answer is Cellular Metrics. Our team, 5G Pause, has continued to develop and improve Cellular Metrics. Cellular Metrics is a mobile app for crowdsourcing cellular network data. Users can test their bandwidth speeds and upload results to a communal network strength heat map. Our team modernized the codebase with updated design and libraries, improved the performance of the back-end pre-processing algorithm of bandwidth test data, and added support for storing 5G network data. We also made onboarding documents to help future teams succeed. All this comes together to crowdsource cellular network data to help first responders around the world. So download Cellular Metrics today.
This is a mess. I'm supposed to figure out how many hikers are on this trail, but I can barely figure it out with all these papers.
I've already finished, thanks to Trek.
But how? Didn't you just start?
With Trek, it's just that easy.
Trek's land allocation interface allows for easy viewing of all trail data, as well as easy hiking trip registration and management for all your trail enthusiasts. Gone are the days of paper logbooks. Welcome to the future.
Less tracking, more trekking.
Wex Energy required a solution to the surprisingly complex task of recording building data and window measurements. Our application attempts to break this down in a way that can allow anyone to properly capture this data, even if they are not familiar with the industry. Each page in an order represents a level in a building, and users can add as many of these objects to the pages as they like. Our solution attempts to make this process as easy to understand and navigate as possible, while also allowing the freedom to ensure even the strangest building layout is captured properly. On our measurement page, we have interactable window panes that remove the need for a user to manually map out panes, as well as dynamically updating to provide visual feedback that the measurements captured reflect what they see in front of them. While there is still some functionality missing from this product, we have organized our code and documentation to ensure the next team can easily pick up where we left off.
You seem like you'd be a great fit for our company. Would you like to schedule an interview tomorrow during interview day?
I'd love to. What time works for you?
What time does work for me? If only there was a better way to schedule interviews.
You seem like a great fit for our company. Would you like to schedule an interview tomorrow during interview day?
I'd love to. What time works for you?
It looks like we have a free slot between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m.
That sounds great.
The next day.
Welcome to interview day. Don't forget to check in.
Check in? How do I do that?
You just need to pull out your phone, pull up your schedule, select the interview you're checking into, and hit the check-in button.
All right. Wow, that was easy.
Wow, my star prospect has arrived.
Oh man, this sucks. Spent an hour setting this up. I gotta wait an hour to make it run.
Is this you? Are you stuck in the dark ages, spending money on materials needed to run a gel that takes all day to separate? Well, now you don't have to.
Wow, I can't believe how convenient this is. And quick, too. A sample that would have taken me hours to run before now only takes me 10 seconds.
With our unpatented program, you don't have to spend a cent. You could easily run a gel at no cost from the comfort of your own home. So forget the hassle of setting up wells and the time expense of waiting for it to finish. With our simulation, you can get accurate results in seconds. So whether you're a student looking to learn more about proteins or a professional who needs the newest organism protein simulated for you, we have the solution.
Look at this. Look at this. Are you sleeping in this? No, you're not sleeping in this. You need a house to sleep in. You need a house created by a contractor.
Wait a minute. No.
Working with our sponsor, Marcin, we have formulated the ultimate bid storage repository that uses AI to recommend whether to go forward on a bid or not with 300% accuracy, featuring authentication, 4 trillion different storable bid attributes, all hosted on AWS, and that's right, it has a dark mode. So we can get you the roof and drywall you need to leave the outdoors.
The autonomous forklift future is closer than ever. We successfully brought advanced image recognition from Texas Instruments to D3's Rugged Vision platform, and the possibilities are endless for what might come next. We will be packaging our research artifacts into concise documentation to share with D3's future teams that will continue working to extend the features of the Rugged Vision platform.
This is Visual LUT, a system designed for use with the next generation of cameras developed by ARRI. Our system allows photographers and videographers to upload and modify color lookup tables, or LUTs, using images for reference uploaded by users. The tool automatically converts LUTs from the color format generated by old ARRI cameras to the new color format, and gives users the tools to further tweak parameters such as saturation and color mapping. Users can then export the modified images and a lookup table that encapsulates the entire editing stack for reuse.
A critical step in every medical treatment is the diagnosis. Crucial in making that diagnosis is the ability to identify and locate what and where a problem is, which can often be ambiguous using traditional image scanning techniques. Our application is designed to allow medical professionals to view 3D scanned patient data to help precisely diagnose internal anomalies within patients. Our software contains two parts, a microservice and a desktop application. The microservice takes in scan results, converts them into an industry-standard format, and uploads them to a hospital server. Then, a medical professional can use the desktop application to view images of the scanned data in different orientations and view an interactive 3D display of the scanned data. These views will aid doctors in making a proper medical diagnosis without the need for invasive medical procedures. This will reduce the cost, complexity, and overall suffering for those who need help. With our efforts, we created impactful software that will transform the state of medical diagnosis.
Educe is an insights management platform that anyone can use to create and share ideas. Such a platform requires a strong foundation. We work to increase efficiency and extensibility, bug fixes, refactoring, and overarching improvements. One important aspect of the platform is the ability to categorize ideas. We redesigned the backend to facilitate more advanced categorization features, such as category renaming and category ownership. However, we didn't put a hold on developing new features. For example, multi-select. When entering multi-select mode, users can select multiple cards and assign them categories in a single action. We made sure to focus on user experience. Selected items are highlighted in green, ensuring clear visibility. Cards automatically update to reflect changes, providing instant feedback. We believe our work stayed true to the goal. Educe is on track to be an amazing insight platform.
Have you ever heard a song so good you needed the whole world to know about it? Do you have that one friend that will only text you Spotify links? Well, no matter what you're listening to, we have the app for you. This is Pulse, the music sharing app that connects you not only to your friends, but to music lovers around the world. Pulse allows you to get a glimpse into everyone's daily pulse, which is whatever song they're feeling when they get the notification. And by the notification, we mean the one that every user will get at the same time every day. That's your pulse. Once you've posted your pulse, it's time to check what everyone else is posting. You can see feeds that show your friends that you follow, as well as one with users from all over the app. From this feed, we can check out anyone's profile, including all of their pulses. You can also like and comment on any pulse you see, and tell people how much you love their taste in music. Your feed will probably start a little empty. You can search for everyone you know from the Discover page and hit that follow button to connect. Don't forget to customize your profile as well. You definitely want a profile picture and bio that really help people understand who you are. And that's Pulse, your new favorite music sharing app. Keep an eye out for our upcoming launch so you can share your pulse too.
I just realized I have to set up a resume, I have to go to create a LinkedIn, and I have to do a whole bunch of other stuff I didn't even realize I had to do. How am I gonna get a job?
Sounds like you need the Career Readiness Dashboard. The Career Readiness Dashboard provides a series of milestones you can complete to help prepare for your career. Each milestone has a set of tasks for you to complete, such as creating a resume or a LinkedIn profile, which you'll submit to your advisor.
What about events? How will I know about those?
The dashboard shows you relevant upcoming events, like a job fair or professional workshops that your advisors have picked out for you.
But, well, I guess that solves everything.
Our team, the Spooky Frogs, was tasked by Carrier to create a proof-of-concept dashboard to display data from their multiple cloud providers and other services. Beginning with wireframes, the team designed exactly how we would flesh out this application. We created a dashboard that is able to retrieve data from these cloud providers using Grafana, Elasticsearch, and Logstash to display it in an easy-to-view single pane of glass. Every panel size is modifiable, and the application is able to easily select and deselect panels to display. Kubernetes is used to quickly deploy our product and have it in a cloud-ready state. providing the ability to move to the sponsor's cloud container handler of choice. Dashboards are regularly updated and queried for relevant data. The single pane of glass, reinventing how customers analyze their cloud habits.
Drowning in budget spreadsheets? MMWA, Managing Maintenance Workflow Application, is your lifeline. This user-friendly responsive web app, powered by AWS, replaces clunky Excel sheets with a workflow-driven streamlined system. Submit requests with ease, track progress in real time, and say goodbye to manual data entry. But the benefits go beyond convenience. MMWA automatically integrates approved maintenance requests into your budget, allowing budget owners to turn chaos into something that can be managed. The system also features a clear review process where users submit requests to designated owning managers who can approve, reject, or request modifications, all within the app. Plus, with a built-in notification system, you'll never miss a critical payment again. MMWA streamlines the entire maintenance request process, freeing you from spreadsheet headaches and empowering you to manage budgets with ease.